In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get text-to-speech on Wattpad. If you prefer listening to stories instead of reading them manually, then using text-to-speech on your computer can make your Wattpad experience much more convenient. Whether you want to multitask, relax your eyes, or simply enjoy stories in audio form, this tutorial will show you how to do it easily on your desktop or laptop. To get started, open your preferred browser and go to the official Wattpad website. Once the page loads, sign into your Wattpad account and open the story you want to listen to. At the moment, Wattpad's built-in text-to-speech feature is mainly designed for the mobile app, so on PC you will usually need to use your computer's built-in screen reader or browser text-to-speech feature instead. If you are using Microsoft Edge, one of the easiest methods is to use the built-in Read Aloud feature. Simply open the Wattpad story you want to hear, right-click anywhere on the page, and select Read Aloud from the menu. You can also use the toolbar at the top of the browser to start, pause, skip, or change the reading speed. This feature works very smoothly and can read most Wattpad stories directly from the page. If you are using Google Chrome, you can use a text-to-speech extension from the Chrome Web Store. After installing the extension, refresh the Wattpad page and highlight the text you want the browser to read aloud. Most extensions will give you playback controls, so you can pause or adjust the voice settings to make the listening experience more comfortable. Keep in mind that some Wattpad page layouts or ads may slightly interrupt automatic reading, so using reader mode in your browser can sometimes make the narration smoother and easier to follow. It's also a good idea to use headphones for clearer audio, especially during longer reading sessions. And that's it! You now know how to use text-to-speech on Wattpad using only a PC, making it easier to enjoy your favorite stories hands-free. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.